In our zoo it is so bright. Animals circle left and right. All together, laugh and play. Never bored on our zoo day. Striped-eyed tiger with a scary face starts his walk around the place. Grrr, he warns us as we go. Keep it calm and take it slow. Zebra proudly walks along, black and white and tall and strong. Hop-sa-sa, hop-sa-sa. Zebra has fast legs, ha-ha! Crocodile rests in the stream, opens jaws with teeth that gleam. When he is hungry, snap, snap, snap. He makes a scary clap, clap, clap. A lion king with golden hair has no time to stop and stare. He takes a breath and opens wide. Roar! The echoes roll outside. In our zoo it is so bright. Animals circle left and right. All together, laugh and play. Never bored on our zoo day. Little monkey jumps around, makes us laugh without a sound. Monkey calls out, ooh ha ha! Branch to branch he swings so far. Elephant shows his giant ears, ready for the road, no fears. On his trunk he plays tra-la, everyone can feel that song. Giraffe's neck can touch the sky, reaching leaves up high, so high. Green and fresh from tree to tree. Then she says, yum yum to me. Hippo swims where waters flow, cool blue waves around him go. From the bank he jumps into water. Splash, splash, splash. In our zoo it is so bright. Animals circle left and right. All together, laugh and play. Never bored on our zoo day. Bright parrot with the rainbow wing learns new words and loves to sing. Now she shouts, hello kids, hey! Such a clever bird today. Ostrich lifts his long, long neck, hides his head in sandy specks. Then he runs and makes a boom. Hear him stomp, stomp, stomp and zoom. Big brown bear is fast asleep, dreaming honey sweet and deep. Loudly snoring, dreams go far. Only snore, snore, snore we hear. In our zoo it is so bright. Animals circle left and right. All together, laugh and play. Never bored on our zoo day.
Want more videos? Click a video and subscribe to our channel.